Hey everybody, good morning. It's Friday. We are working at like week 8 at our Palo Alto project. Just want to let you know we found this thing. State Access Cannabis Cup NorCal. This is what happens when you get rental fencing. You never know what's left over. So I want to share with you a couple things this week about this project in Palo Alto. We had a couple inspections last week. We had a waterproofing inspection for the walls. I'll show you that. The other thing is that we are working on the electrical feed, and also we're installing the cabinets at this point in the sheetrock, because last week we had multiple inspections. As I was saying, we had a waterproofing inspection for the shower pan, we had an all trades inspection. So now that's all passed and we're ready to go. Let's go inside. All right, so we're walking inside. You can see that everything's getting sheetrocked. We are everything's nailed on compared to last week. Let's go into the front bedroom. The closet's been sheetrocked up already. So we are now going to go to the bathroom. This grate will be replaced because this is the return air. It's going to get closed off. The return air was moved up to the ceiling right here. So we are now going to the bedroom. Currently, we have red guarded this entire wall. This is waterproofing. That way there's no penetration. We also set the shower pan with the slope. We're setting down the paper for floating the floors. So you can see everything's been taped up here. My guys are shy, maybe because they just don't like modeling for me, but I don't know what to say. This is interesting. Point out, when we were getting inspection, this is required. We have to shove paper into all the holes for the inspection. That was a sheetrock inspection 2 days ago. So we are now in the living room. As you can see that the cabinets have arrived, and we are now setting to install the window and the cabinets. So let's go to check out the kitchen. So in the kitchen, you can see that we've already started laying out the cabinets. We are going to set the window that is on the floor there, over there behind the guys. We're just checking the layouts of all the cabinets. Of course, there's some damage. Actually, most of the times, this stuff wasn't damaged. Let's go to the other bathroom. So the other bathroom, so you can see that this floor has been already floated. We put red guard on here. Inspection from Palo Alto City came by, said everything looks good. Passed inspection there. Everything's nailed on. You can see all the sheetrock. They're going to start taping up the sheetrock today. This is the master bedroom. We are at the end of week 8, going to start week 9. It's pretty exciting. We're moving along this project, and we should start tiling next week. That's where we're at. Thanks for watching the update. I'll catch you guys next time.